because I had started that. Okay, nice. So please take care, otherwise you will miss that. Okay, so user data, this is array, fine, and we going to print that exact the same data. It's showing that array there, Ramu, Mohan, Soham. But if you have to convert this array into a string, what we doing that? Be using join method. Let's say do with the help of which one? What is the another process of converting into array?
To a string.
To a string. To a string.
String. So let's say check that user data dot to be getting that method or not. After putting dot, you will suggest suddenly got all the suggestion. If you're not getting, means your what is that? That method is not available for particular. Like yesterday we had seen, if we taking a string and there be passing push, means a array having push pop, but with a string if we trying to add, means apply push and pop method, that not reflecting. So once you put a dot, if you getting the list, means that is correct. So to a string. Okay, let's save and see what we got output. Line number 5. It is in the form of a string. How you will verify whether it's a string or array? Sweta, Shivani Sinha.
Sir, inside the big bracket,
We can
it's
pass
array.
Yeah. So see in this line, what we getting here?
It's a index.
It's showing the line number, means here we getting something 3. 3 is actually what is that one? What is
length.
that 3?
Sir,
Length.
array
Length.
index.
No, not
Sorry.
that index. That is a
Yeah,
length.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. And when you opening this one, it is suddenly showing all the value with index 0, 1, 2, 3. And there it's showing the length also. But in the line number 5, this one, are you getting like that anything? No, we are getting just a plain. That is a string. Let's verify one more time with the help of type of. Okay. So pass a here, type of a here, and pass a here also. So tell me the output in the line number, means line number 3 and line number 5.
Object.
Object line number 3, line number 5. What will be
String.
line
String,
string?
sir.
Let's save. So we got object and a string. Do the same thing of verification where in this line. See, whenever you have any doubt, a single percent, go type.
It's also would be a string.
Yeah, so this also given the string, means there are two ways by which we can convert any array into a string. Not only array, it's other also, like number. Suppose that if you have number, yeah, do one thing. Yeah, okay, copy this comment and take here number 52 something, and let's say verify that's whether we getting user data line number 4 as a number or a string. Let's see. So line number 4 had given some output. Don't worry regarding the error, we will come on that. Line number 4 given you number. Okay, line number 6, due to a string, it converted into a string, correct? But line number 7, can anyone tell me why we got error in line number 7?
Yes, sir. Because we are passing user data now.
Sir, it is a array
User
method.
data, sir. That's
Correct.
why.
It's an array method.
That big bracket, sir.
Big bracket where?
Sir, we don't define join method anywhere. Join method.
No, 1 second. Praful had told join method is not the method for number. It's a method of array. Got it? What I had told, if that is, suppose that push and pop, where we discussed in the case of array, if you will apply push and pop with number, you will get error, because that is not the method of array, means that is not the method of a string, number, these all. But we had written the code. Got it? That's why we got the error. Suppose if you will remove this join and put a dot, and after that just check whether you getting anything like a join here. Are you getting? No, correct? Because a number have not any join method. Now do one thing, comment this line and uncomment upper line and save. Now just check with user data dot. Are you getting join method? We getting or not? Automatic we got the suggestion, and let's save. So see, Is it clear why we was getting error that time? Because join method not belonging to number, string, those. It belonging to array. That's why when we had applied join method over number, string, it was not giving the proper output. It gave an error. Clear? So the method with whatever method we are going to apply, it will belong to some particular member, means some particular you can tell that data type like number, string, array. So those method will be applicable only for those data type only. It's not like that we can take anywhere and we can pass anywhere. It's not like that. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt? So join it going to convert into a string. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move next. Check one time recording is going on or not.
Sir, one thing also join method do this. Join inside parenthesis like star and anything
I
pass.
think that also, yeah, that also we can pass. As like in array, what we by doing, we was using a split method and there we was passing comma separated or whatever way you will do that. Here we can pass that. On which basis you want to join? I want that between each. Remove this one first. Between each means like Ramu is one value, then second is this one, then next is this one, means each index value you can tell. So between means while joining each, you will get a star between each of them value. Like Ramu is there, Mohan is there. Between of Ramu and Mohan, there will be one star. Then Mohan and Soham. Between this both, you will get one star. Let's save. Got it? Line number 7. This output. So whatever you want for the separation purpose, you can pass here. In the case of a join, if you want dash, you can pass that. Whatever you want, you can. If you passing one, let's see, you getting that. So whatever you want, you can. Clear? Okay.
Yes,
Join
sir.
method. Clear. Next. Okay. So today we're going to look over the remaining method of the array. What is a delete method? What it will do? Any idea?
Deleting.
Delete the array.
It will delete the array.
Delete the array.
Just
Element.
now you can think, yeah, element or array data or whatever you can tell. That's not an issue. But suppose if you deleting any array, while pushing time, we had seen one thing. If you pushing the data, if you're not pushing, suppose if you assigning the data, I had suggested that time there will be one problem. It will keep to hold. Okay, that's why we always trying to push the data, not for particular index pass the data. Means like if you have any array, if you have any this array, suppose I want to pass a data at index number 5th. How I can pass? At index number 5th.
Quotation
How
you
to
have to
pass?
pass inside a square bracket have to pass
So we
6.
take
Tell me code.
we take another variable.
Okay.
Variable name.
Variable name. Okay. User.
Sir, another variable name, sir.
Okay. User data 1. Next.
Equals to
User data.
What?
Sir, what question, sir?
I
User
want to
data
pass
file.
1 second, Afroz. I want to pass one data, means one value you can tell, like Ramu, Mohan, Soham. I want to add one more value there.
Then we take the user data
Sir, you
1.
write in let user data in square bracket, right?
User data 1 dot user data
Dot push.
No,
data 1.
I not want with the help of push. Okay.
We
User
can pass
data.
number, sir, using index.
Yeah,
Sir,
with the help
you
of
take-
index.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Big
So tell me
bracket.
how.
Big
Okay,
bracket.
big
User
bracket.
data 1 dot user data.
Yeah, sir. We can add one number, sir. Which position you want? That number.
Okay, I
you can-
want a fifth position.
Yes, sir.
It's correct. And where is the value?
It's not
Sir,
I want
it's
to add.
five.
I want to add.
Fourth position.
Yeah, Shivani.
Sir, we take a user data one have big bracket, no?
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, like this way you're telling.
Yes, sir.
So where is
And
the user data? Okay, 1 second.
yeah,
So where is the
after
user
equal
data?
to
Sir.
Yeah.
You can
First-
remove user data 1. We pass user data 5. In each one, it give any name, sir.
Means here you're telling to pass the name.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay.
We
RAM.
remove one, sir.
And here.
And remove one, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next let.
Uh,
Let remove
Sir,
remove
Okay.
let's.
1 second. Why we had taken this variable? What is the need? Because already the arrays are there. On what index you want the value? On that index, just pass that value. Correct or not?
yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
variable
sir.
it's not required anything. If you passing variable, what is the need? Nothing. It will work. Let's see. Total you got 6 length. Correct? Because on 5th position means on 4th index we had passed the value. Can anyone tell me what is the issue in this case?
Yeah, it will take fifth position of RAM and remaining index it will come empty. Here
Yeah.
like
So
fourth
that is
and
the
fifth.
issue. Okay. Here that issue is that on which position? 3rd, comma 4th. On this both index,
Yeah.
is there any data on 3rd and 4th index?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Only
No data.
Empty.
No data means no data. Since no data, so it become holes in the array. Got it? It become holes in the array, and that's not the correct. That's why what we doing? Be using the push method. Got it?
And
Sir.
with the help of push up method, we have to
Sir.
assign the value at the last.
Okay, 1 second.
Sir,
Yeah, Dharmendra.
we can also use sir user data dot length inside the user data, so line number 15.
Yeah, that's a we can. That's not the issue. But what we doing? We not passing the value in the last. Be passing the data anywhere randomly. Got it? That's why means I think that my data should be on the 5th position. I don't know whether data is available on 4th position or not. That be done. But that's why what we doing? Be using the push method.
So that is
So,
also doing
Yeah,
like
yeah.
sir user data dot length, sir.
yeah, that will
Because
also do the same thing
hard,
because it will
hard
pass in the
coded.
last position.
Yeah, sir.
That will also do the same task, but in place of passing index value from our end, that's not good. Got it? Because in this line, what we done? We passed the index value from our end, 5th position. We had passed.
Ir, but
That's
in
not
the case we not pass sir our
Sir,
value, sir, like a
it
dynamic.
is
We
a
pass
hard
user
coded
yeah.
data
value,
dot
no, sir.
length, sir.
No,
But it's
see
not hard coded.
that that's I telling we can go with length or otherwise push method. Anyone,
Yeah,
both
yeah.
are correct.
Okay.
Okay,
Push is
but
easy
in
method.
yeah, both are correct. Length and push method both
Yeah,
is
push
correct.
is
But
simple.
in place of going with push or length, if you going with just a hard coded value, that's not good. Okay, because we don't know whether on 3rd position, 4th position data is there or not. That's why. So never go with like this way. You can go which one? Length method means you can pass a length or push
Push
method.
method.
Okay. This both method will not kept a hole in your array. Got it? That is the benefit. So what is the problem? Why we going with this one? To prevent to making a hole in your array. Hole in the sense empty, no data at some position. Like here, total length is 6, but how much data? How much data? Total only 4 data is there, and these two places there are empty. So to prevent from this problem, what we going to do? Be passing with the help of length or push method. Clear? So why be discussing this one? Let's see now. So delete method also doing the same task. Okay, if you deleting the data, it will also kept somewhere like undefined hole like that way. So see, warning, array element can be deleted using the JavaScript operator delete. Okay, using delete leaves undefined hole in the array. When you deleting the data, it will kept, means it will delete the data. As like here, we have data on 1 to 5th position, means total index 1 to 5th, but 3rd, 4th, there is no data. Those are empty. So same thing, it happening in the case of that delete method. It will keep undefined holes in the array. So we will never go with a delete. We will always use which method? Pop method or shift instead. Clear or not?
Yes.
So why we not going with that delete method? In place of going to delete, we can go with the pop and shift. And from where the pop and shift will work? Which direction pop will work? Means a pop
The
will
last.
remove the data. Last.
Last.
What about the
Shift
shift?
is in first.
Right to
What
left.
about
First.
shift is in the first, means a first position. So we will never go with that delete. Okay. So if you want, we can check. So preventing to means creating a hole in the array, means empty value you can tell. To preventing from that, we not going to delete the data from any particular index. So see what it going to do. It deleting data from which position it will delete?
0.
0th index means a
0th
starting one. Yeah. So let's see. Now see, there is empty. Got it? What is the issue? Why we not? So this, to prevent from this particular this issue, be going to which method?
Pop.
Pop one. Let's
Pop.
see. So fruits dot pop. But now see what we want. I not want to delete data from that last. I want to delete from the first because empty is on the first position, means the 0th position.
In
So
place of pop, you can use shift method.
yeah, so we will use shift method. And let's see. So we got here 3 data. 1 data got removed. How? With the help of a pop method. Now check with the help of a shift method. So see which data gone, remove a starting one, banana. Clear? So this way we can delete the data from starting and ending, but never we will use delete one. Clear? Or anyone having any issue? Tell me. No issue? Okay. Next method is for concatenation purpose. Same thing. We had to learn in the string case and different. Can anyone tell what it going to do? Concatenation.
Add the number and string.
Combining of
Strings, sir.
Yeah. So it going to add the data, means joining in one. It will join multiple, like in a string. What it by doing? It was adding multiple string value in same. 1 second. JS.
combination of two string, multiple string.
Yeah, correct. Combination. You can tell that combination of multiple string.
String number, we can also say.
Anything. It will merge that all. 1 second. Okay. So what we going to do? My girl something, my boy something, then email Toby say something. So here we taken my girls dot concat, and we passed inside the concat method whatever data you want. So this is just as simple as like in the case of a string itself. So see what happened. It gone and concatenated all 5 data inside one, because my girl, this both is coming in my girl with a means a 2 value in separate array, and my boy is having this one. We added all the data. Tell me how to concatenate same thing in the string form. We had to
Using
learn
plus
the
operator,
method.
sir.
No, no,
We
no.
can use plus
We
And
have
count
learned
also,
the
sir.
between.
1 second. We had to learn the string method. Okay, and in a string method we had discussed the concatenate also. Got it? We had
Yeah, sir.
discussed
Yes,
that
sir. Same
here.
method, sir.
Yeah. So let's see. I will add one. This is pass this and make one. My school. Okay. Now see what it done. My girl, it's taken one value, means say you can tell one string, it taken second string. And first, which one we want? My girl, in the sense this is. This I want in the starting dot concat, and inside I pass the second string. Let's say, see, this is my school. Clear? And how we pass multiple with the help of a comma separated. Pass a space, save. So see, we got the space between is and my, because I had passed this one.
Sir, but all are expected that apart from concat object, you have
Yeah,
to take plus operator.
who telling?
Yeah, it will work also.
Ah, that will work. We know that.
Yes.
But I not asking that one. You know the reason. Because suppose tomorrow you getting data from the database, something. You getting data from the database, and what you had written? You written like a plus operator. Okay.
It's a proper way to use the
Yeah.
concatenation.
Because suppose be getting this one plus this one. It's not good. That's the thing. If you assigned with variable, you can do manipulation. But when you hard coding, here we had done the plus operator and we want to add something. It's not good. It's better to go with the method. All is correct. I'm not telling that that's correct or that's wrong. No, all is correct. But we have to think like that way. Okay, clear? Any issue? Anyone having? So concat, it will work in the same way in the string and in the case of array also. There is no any difference. Okay, next, what it done? It going to merge the array. So the concat method create a new array, and one one means important thing came here. What? That concat method will create a new array. It's not going to do the task in the same array. As like suppose push and pop. What you thinking? Push, it is going to do in the same array or what?
A new array, sir.
It creating new array, I think. Pop also doing the same thing with a creating new array. So you have to go through that, then you will realize, yeah, whether it's creating new array or not. So see how we can verify. See that
Yeah, it will
here, this
create
is a,
new.
see in this case, this is one separate array, correct? This is one separate array. When you will access this data, my girls, it will give you this array data. Clear? When you will access this my boys, you will get this data. Correct? But when you want the complete all data, there is the scroll symbol. Okay. I am not getting that one. Okay, it is here only. Yeah. So when we accessing separate, we getting the separate data. But after concatenation, what is done? It merged in one. And what is the new array? My children. Means we had got the concat, it going to do, and it creating the new array. This is the concept, that new array. So in interview, they are asking whether this method will create a new array or it will done all the task on old one itself. So you can
Good.
tell that it create the new array like this way. So in each method, you have to take care this concept. Which method will create a new or which will work on the old one itself. We will come on that topic, that where it will work on the same array. It's not going to create the new. That is reduce method. So merging three array, we can do that. Separate arrays like
Sir.
say here. Yeah.
Sir, push also create new method, sir.
Push, yeah, I think that because it will create a new array.
Yeah,
That
it's
is,
new array will create.
yeah, I
When
think that.
posting, it will create new array.
Just
Sir,
one time
we
go
direct.
through that. Yeah.
Sir, we write direct, sir, like a fruit dot push. Then we print fruit. It is came in one array, sir.
Yeah,
All,
yeah. I
all
think
item.
then it will not create a new array. Just one time go through that. Maybe I think it not like a
Without-
pop also.
Sir,
Without a new
Yeah.
array, how it is
but
possible?
but apart from old array, if we are getting any new element, that would be new array.
Yeah,
no,
it's
Yeah.
sir?
new.
Yeah, that's it.
Whatever I am adding in array, that's a new. It will create new array.
Don't worry.
Because
Just one
that
time
what
go
not
through.
belongs to old.
Yeah. Just one time check that what you getting there. That's not much more complicated, just easy task. Okay. So here see, we have three different array. Array 1, array 2, array 3. What we going to do? We going to concat this all three. How? Array 1 we keeping on the first, then array 2, then array 3. Why we keeping array 1 outside and array 2, array 3 inside? As per our requirement. Got it? It's not that 1 will be outside, 2 will be inside, 3 will be inside. No. One array should be outside, only one array. Whatever you can pass here, array 3, 2, 1, anything. But one should be outside. After that, whatever remaining, that should be inside with a comma separated. Clear? Don't think that one will be outside, then 2, 3 sequence wise. No, not like that. So concat method can also take a string as argument. Same thing we had seen already. So here array1 dot concat, here it going to add this one. Fine. Then splicing and slice arrays. We had seen this topic or not?
Yeah,
No,
we
sir.
already seen, sir.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
No, it is a string slicer. That's it.
Okay, yeah. So same thing in this one. This is not new topic. Okay. So splicing and slicing of array. So the splice method add a new item to the array. Correct or not? Splice, I think we had seen. We had seen.
No, sir.
Slice we are saying.
Okay, yeah. Slice, substring, substr. That three topic we had seen. Yeah. So as suppose slice, what it by doing? It was cutting down that. You can tell that a splitting into separate. Correct? A slices out a pieces of array. Is suppose that just consider the string itself. Just wait. What it by doing? Slice in the string case.
Sir,
Yeah. What it by doing? Slice in the string case.
It's got a particular word, sir. Start
It
and end.
can tell it a splitting.
Sir, firstly, it's going to take two argument,
Sir,
and
start
it's
and
going to
end.
take negative.
Don't go 1 second. Don't go that much. Just what are the main motto behind that? It was a splitting, cutting down, whatever this one, adding or splitting, this concept only. Don't
Sir,
go from the starting. Yeah.
in a string slice, we can give any number. It shows that number position of that string. Sir. In position, what is the letter or what is what they show the thing.
See, 1 second. Slice, it was a splitting your data. According to position based, we can take out that data. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We can slice, like suppose that you going to cut the vegetable. or otherwise fruits. Some part of fruit, suppose that it is damaged. Okay, what you will do? You will slice out the damaged part and remove and throw out. And whatever it's correct, you will utilize that one. Correct or not? Same thing.
Means we are going to extract the data.
Yeah. So we will extract and remove the damaged or whatever part we want, we can remove that. Okay. So same thing slice method was doing. So a splice method. A splice method it going to do opposite. It going to add the data. Got it? Mute. Who is on unmute? It going to add your data. A splice. Who is on unmute? Please mute. So a splice method it going to add your data. Like a slice was removing the data, you can tell that it was removing the data, and a splice it is adding the data. Clear? Up to this concept, clear or not? How it will add or remove? Let's see. But up to this. So JavaScript a splice method. How it's working? The splice method can use it to add a new item into the array. Like suppose that you have to prepare a tea. What you will do? You will take milk, correct, and you will add butter and sugar and whatever. So what you doing here? You are adding two separate content, means say element. You can tell that element or content, whatever material. So you going to add same thing. A splice method will do. So here we taking one array.
Sir,
Yeah.
in which scenario you will go for a push method and a splice method?
Yeah. Wait 1 second. See, push method always work on the last. Okay. So whenever you have requirement to add data in the last position, go with the push. Slice is not like a pushing method. See, just 1 second, wait. FRUI fruits. So see, what is the full array? Full array having 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 value means what is the length and yeah, what is the length?
4.
What length is 4? 1 second. Console.log fruits dot length. Yeah. So we have 4 data. Let's see. So we have 4 length is 4 and total 4 value. Let's add this one. What it will do? It will add the data lemon and kiwi, and let's verify where it adding. Where you added the data? 1 second. Yeah. So where it added? Tell me. We got a new 2 data, lemon and kiwi. So lemon and kiwi.
2.
This both data.
In
Sir,
between array, sir.
index
In
value
between
2, sir.
It
Index
between the array.
value 2.
Yeah. So index value 2. Had it removed any data in the previous, whatever total, how many element is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it become 2 more, means total becomes 6. Correct? And what is the position? Position is on the second, means you can tell 0, 1, 2, second index value. Correct? So see what it had done. Here we had passed 2, 0. Correct? So 2 is giving you that where you want to add the data. So where I want to add the data, I want to add the data on the second position. That's why it had taken 2. Let's manipulate the 2 and let's see what it will do. Where it will add now? On the first position. First position in the sense in the place of orange. Means now we will get output. What will be output? Banana.
Not
banana
lemon.
and lemon,
Yeah,
kiwi.
we will get output like banana, lemon, kiwi, then orange, apple, and mango, whatever.
Sir,
Let's see.
sir. So
Yeah.
overall conclusion is push
Wait,
method we are
overall,
getting last value and
Samir, I will come on conclusion. Wait, why you going this much fast? So see, what happened here? Banana, then first position. Where I want to data? I want data on the first position. Correct? So that's why the lemon came and kiwi. This both data, because this both data is coming, means going with a grouped. It always, wherever it going to place, it is placing always in the grouped. So we got a lemon and kiwi together on the first position, means it is starting from the first. And what about the next? So orange, kiwi, means orange, apple, mango, wherever it is, means it gone on the next one. So next, I want this on the fourth position. I passed fourth. Now tell me the output. Where it will come? 0, 1, 2, third,
After
and fourth. Means after
Last,
banana.
last,
Yeah,
after me.
after banana. Let's see. After banana, be getting. Sorry, after mango. So banana, orange, apple, mango. It's already old, means old array itself. Okay, and the lemon and kiwi. We got a two new data which coming from this one. And now pass 0. Where you will get the data?
What is this another zero?
Wait, we will come on another 0. First be manipulating the first 0. What about the first 0? Means where you will get the data?
First
Starting
output banana.
Means 0. Correct. So let's see. Lemon and kiwi came on the 0th position. Correct. And remaining all data as usual. After that, it is look like which method of array? Shift, unshift, push, pop. Which method? Now this output. I not belonging any other output. I
on
belonging
shift.
this output.
Like push method.
On shift.
Push
Unship, sir.
always push doing on the last index.
last,
Okay. This is like this now is it is equal to unshift method. Okay. And what about this push method? You can pass here length. So fruit fruits dot length. See, so we passed fruits dot length means always in the last position we got this value lemon and kiwi. So lemon and kiwi came on the last one. So what is this one? Which method? It's equal to push method and anything more?
Push method.
No, push only
Pop.
because
Yeah,
pop.
sir.
Who telling pop?
No, sir. Push method.
Yeah.
I confused.
So it came on the push because we added data on the last one. Okay. So first position, first value, whatever value be giving, it is for the starting index on which means from where you want to start. Now come to the second. Second is 0. 0 is for the deleting purpose. How much data you want to delete? Okay. Now it deleting 0. Now I want to delete one data. Where it will delete and what will be the output? Shivani Kumari. What will be your output in this sense? Sweta, what will be output in this case?
sir. After
See.
banana,
Sir,
Okay, after banana, wait 1 second, Samir. After banana, lemon will start, lemon and kiwi will start, correct? Because
okay,
the first position. And what it telling? It telling to delete one value. Okay.
okay,
So let's see. It will delete, but where it will delete? Let's verify. So after banana, we got lemon and kiwi, correct? And after that, apple got started. Where is the orange? Orange got deleted because we had told start from which position? I start from the first position. And which value available now on the first position?
orange.
Orange. Correct. So what happened? What is the conclusion? That from the first position, the data got deleted, and first position, this both data got inserted. You can tell like that. Let me open Paint. So see. 1 second. Who is on unmute? Lalan, I think from your side, please mute. So see what it will do. What value we want? We have original. Yeah, we have original array banana, orange, apple, mango. Correct. And where I want to add the data, I want to add data on the first position. Correct. So let's add data on the first position. So let's add the data on the first position. Means this one is the first position. Correct or not? Data will add on the first position. And how much you want to how much you want to remove? We want to remove the one data. Means from where it will remove? It will remove data from the first position itself. So whatever data was available on the first position, that is orange, and be telling that to add the data on the first position itself. Clear? Be trailing to add the data on the first position itself. So on the first position data, it will remove and it will add both. So final output will be banana, lemon, kiwi. Final output will be banana, then this both, and then again this will start from here. Clear? Like this way
Sir,
will go.
sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
So instead of orange, we are going to pass lemon and kiwi. So lemon and kiwi, that position would be 1, otherwise 1, 2.
No, see what happened. This completely is one package. Okay. Just think like it will go and replace on this position. So automatic they have two data, two value. Correct. So orange having only one
So
index.
index one having lemon and kiwi also.
No, see 1 second. Wait 1 second. I think you confused. See, on first position lemon is there. Lemon got removed. Okay. And in place of lemon, what happened? Sorry, in place of orange, what happened? Lemon and kiwi came. So now lemon is there. So new array, you can tell that concept of new array. BANA, banana, comma, lemon, comma,
Kiwi,
comma, apple, maybe a spelling mistake, ignore, MANGO, mango. This much data came. Now tell me, index in the new array. Now see, index of a banana is 0, index of banana 1, kiwi become 2, apple become 3, and mango become 4. Automatic index will get arranged. Got it?
Okay, sir. My confusion
Let's say,
means we are getting new array. That's it. In new
yeah,
array,
so
we are going for.
it creating the new array. Do one thing. We will manipulate that. You will get more and more clear idea. 1 second. What we had written here? 0, 1, 2, 3. Where is one data?
Sir.
Banana. 1 second. Lemon, kiwi. Orange got removed. Apple, mango. Banana, lemon is there, kiwi is there, apple, mango. Why I getting only 4?
Sir, it's okay,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Instead of
Yeah,
orange,
correct.
we are taken lemon and kiwi.
No, I checking the length actually. Index is correct actually. That's a 4 that I written there. Yeah, 1 second. We will come some more manipulation of the data. Let's say remove 2 data. Now tell me the output. Now I deleting 2 data. Means what happened? 2 data will get removed from which position? From the starting from
Apple.
the orange position. up to apple, means orange and apple both will get removed. Why starting from the orange? Why not from the banana? Why not from the mango? And why not from the apple? Why it will start from the orange itself?
Because
the
position of index 1 is orange.
Because the position of first one, adding the data, that is for which one? That is from the first itself. Let me write something here. FIRST, first position. What it going to do? Position, it will add data. Correct or not?
Sir, first you have to go for remove, sir. Then only you go for add.
Once that is no issue. A starting position, POSIT position to add data. Now second one. Second position. What it will do?
Hit the data.
You can tell that number or length. How many data I want to remove. Clear? First position and second position. First position, what it going to do? It's a starting position to add data. From that position, it will add the data. And in the second position, what is that? It will how many data I want to remove. So how many data I want to remove? Is this correct? One second. I got confused. But I think that's correct. Let's do one thing. Fine. This was for adding position. Let's add 0.
Sir, no delete any data, sir.
No deleted data. Yeah, fine. So second position, how many data you want to remove? That is the thing. So now I want 1, means just go to the first position again. So what is this one? It will tell you on which position you want to add the data. So I want to add data on the first position. First position in the sense in place of orange. Means it will start the adding of data from here. So banana, lemon, kiwi, orange, apple, mango. This happened. Let's copy this. So this is the output. This one clear or not? So here we got the added the data, our new data. Lemon, kiwi, orange, and apple, mango. Let's say remove the data. 1 second.
Hello.
Hello.
Is the screen visible?
हाँ सर,
voice
स्क्रीन
is
विजिबल,
visible.
वॉइस और वॉइस आ रहा है भाई.
Yes.